see my coconut head. Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. I am fine. God, just your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate. In here I review wigs. So today wig is from Ulahair and it's hair extension. It's clip-in hair extension. That is what I'll be revealing today. I don't have good hair. My hairline, they are not too good, you can see, but let's see how we can manage this, how we can do this. You see my hairline. This is my hairline. But I'm just going to do that. Let's see how we're going to manage this hair. First of all, I want to comb my hair. My hair is very long, but the front, you see that the hair is long. Now the front of the hair is the wahala. The whole front is gone. I'm trying to like bring the front back. Okay, so this is my hair, my natural hair. So we're just going to clip this in. Normally clip in, oh, my hair is breaking. Normally clip in hair extension is very easy to install. It makes your hair look natural, looks like your natural hair when you clip it on your hair. So this is it. It came in this bag, Ulahair, and the wig is here. There are some goodies inside. You guys know I love goodies. There is a wig cap, 2 pairs inside. There is a card. You can see their contact details at the back. Their Facebook. You can scan this. It will take you directly to their Facebook and their YouTube page. Okay, these two here. Also, their website is here. See their website. There is a comb, a pair of lashes. There is another card also. Everything, how to care for the hair. All instructions are here. The do's and don'ts. So guys, let me bring the hair out. I'll check the inches. I'm going to put it on the description box. Okay, you see this is how it's packaged. There is a tag on it with their name, Ulahair. If you like anything that don't give you stress, if you like natural looking hair, this is just perfect for you. Especially if you are in a hurry, you don't feel like wasting time, you just clip this on and you're good to go. That's one thing I like about this clip in. So I'm trying to cut away those you see the clip in is very easy. You pop this out, you clip this to your hair and you close it back, and it has how many here? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5. Okay, see this. So this is the first one. The second one, you see the clips here with the clips also size by size. Okay, so this is easy for you to do. Maybe for the front or by the side you can put this. So we're going to do this together. First, I'm going to part my hair to see how I'm going to clip this. Guys, they are all 10 pieces.
Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase.
So I'll just show you guys the beginning. Since they cut them into size, you see, so you make sure you measure the one that will cover up to. Okay, this one is small, this one is too wide. Okay, I think this one is okay. So guys, see, I'm going to pop this like this, like this, like this, because you try it to make sure. So it's like this. So I'm just going to put this here.
You say goodbye, lock the door for 3 2 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional.
To straighten the two together with my hair.
And then I lose it. I'm delusional.
So you see it. So I'm going to take little hair to cover this first one.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah.
So I want to cut it to cover, make sure it cover this hair.
Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight.
Though I'm not seeing my back, which is not easy.
Sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life. Can't remain, no delay. Gotta let it go. A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever. To the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life.
So guys, I have done all of this. See, look at it. So I want to do center part. So I'll make center part.
Can't remain, no delay. Gotta let it go.
Because my front of hair, there is no hair, so I'm going to remove this.
Midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night. Oh, don't wanna wait all my life. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Fråga inte vad som hände mig. Fråga inte vad som kommer sen när allt är över. Det spelar ingen roll. För jag har inget att säga, inget att prata om. Du vet redan vad jag behöver för oss. Tänker på vad du sagt, den där ingenting alls. Ja, det kommer ordna sig. Alltid ring på varann, inte utan min man. Men du måste lova mig att vi blir samma gamla, samma gamla, samma gamla, samma. Att vi blir samma gamla, samma gamla, samma gamla, samma gamla, samma gamla, samma gamla. Varför ska jag låtsas? Kan inte låtsas om att det inte händer ofta när det händer gång på gång. Vad vi blir. Är du nöjd nu när jag är på gränsen till? Jag gör det svårt för oss båda, men ändå är allt jag vill att vi blir samma gamla, samma gamla, samma gamla, samma gamla, samma gamla, samma gamla, samma gamla.
You see the front. So guys, that is it. You see, it's very easy to do. It looks like my natural hair. You can see the front. So guys, I'm going to leave the link to this clip-in extension on the description box. All the information about this hair will be on the description box, so check that out, okay, in case if you are interested. I like it because it's just clip-in. You don't need to do much. You can pack it, even ponytail if you want. So guys, that is it for this hair extension. I'm going to leave all the details on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out, okay. This hair is from Ulahair. Like I said, it's clip-in and it's natural hair. You see my hair. If you have the hair that is really relaxed, because my hair is not relaxed, that's why you're seeing it like this, and it's still okay. I did not retouch my hair. My hair is kind of due, okay. So the hair is so perfect. I like it because you just clip it on and you're good to go. Gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, click on that subscribe button and that bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.